What is the journey of becoming a competent, successful, and contributing professional coach? I want you to be competent, educated, to be precise. I want you to be successful, and I want you to contribute to the society, because the coaching is not only a normal business, it's a much contributing profession. So what is that journey, and what you have to do to embark on that journey? So the first is your time investment of 8 hours per week. In 7 days of a week, I am asking you 8 hours. What is the breakup of those 8 hours? 4 hours is your session time, right? On each Saturday, you will attend the session from the 5 p.m. to 9 p.m., including 15 minutes break. So first chapter will be completed, 15 minutes break will be given, and then the next chapter will be completed. So 4 hours of learning is what you have to do. Of course, we expect 80% of the sessions to be attended by you. For example, there are 25 sessions, right? So there are 25, this program is of 25 weeks. 50 chapters are being taught online. In each session, 2 chapters are being taught. So basically, we are conducting exactly 25 sessions. 80% of those 25 sessions is 20 sessions. So we expect you to attend at least 20 sessions. This is adult learning. We are not going to force you to attend, right? You are free souls. But unless you attend and interact, you will not learn effectively. So this is our expectation from you, that is you attend at least 80%. And our data currently, that our students are already attending more than 90%. Hardly 1 or 2 sessions they are missing in their entire journey. Why? Because the learning is so interesting and it is transformational in nature. But in case you miss any sessions, any one session or more session, you don't have to worry. Why? Because the coach study guide, LMS, and the recording of that entire session will be offered to you. So because means you are traveling and you are a busy professional, something happens one particular week, you are not in a position to attend, do not worry, right? So you will be provided resource. But that does not mean that is just because you are having this facility, you are not attending the live sessions. You have to attend the live sessions. Minimum 80% is our expectation number 1. So this is 4 hours of learning per week. Apart from that, we expect you to do some homework and self-study. Especially, I'm talking about the coach study guide, the notes what we are going to provide you on the day 1, approximately 2 hours learning, self-learning as per you. Someone can complete the homework or the learning. Means it is not a homework like a homework teacher is giving to the student. It is self-learning. All the notes have been given to you. It is up to you to read it into 2 hours, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours. It is up to you, as per your pace, as per your flexibility. But we recommend you to invest 2 hours into self-learning per week. And we recommend you that before the session itself, you just go through the notes of that particular session. So you come little bit prepared for the session and you increase the quality of that particular session. So 4 plus 2 is 6 hours per week. The third one is your Sunday asynchronous learning, the question and answer session with the director training, right? Again, attendance is voluntary, right? Because it is Sunday, I fully understand, right? So there will be few of you who would not want to attend a session on Sunday. It is all right. But people who are ready to attend this particular session voluntarily, we are having the ecosystem. Now, whether you want to take the benefit or you don't have to take the benefit, it is up to you. But the training director will be available Sunday 10 to 11 a.m. for you to address any of your queries on syllabus, on the sessions which have been already conducted, and your homework. Because when you are going to do your self-study, definitely there can be few queries, right? So this is a forum available to you apart from the live session. You can ask these questions in a live session also, in a Saturday session also it is possible. In addition to the Saturday session, we are giving you this particular opportunity. The forum is available to you. So till now, 7 hours per week of time investment, and the last hour is your buddy coaching practice. It is not applicable in the first month, but starting from the second month, we recommend you to have at least 1 hour buddy coaching practice per week with your buddy of the batchmate. So this is the 8 hours of investment per week. If you are mentally prepared to invest 8 hours of your time per week, then only you have to join the program. If you are not mentally prepared to invest 8 hours of the learning, then this is not a right program for you. Then you can join any other certification program which will provide you the certificate, but which might not develop you into competent, successful, and contributing coach, because this is our passion. This is not a business for us. This is our passion. Our passion is to develop competent, successful, and contributing coach. And we know that if you follow our recommendations, it is possible. Okay. Are we expecting that each week you must invest 8 hours? No, we fully understand there is a traveling and there can be some situations where every week it may not be possible for you. I fully understand. For example, buddy coaching practice, it is up to you whether in every week you want to do or you want to do as per the convenience of two of you. It is all up to you. Self-study, at what hour, on what day you want to read, it is up to you. Apart from this 4 hours, which is a structured calendar will be given to you, the balance hours are voluntarily, it is up to you. But this is our recommendation. Means tomorrow you don't tell me that is, sir, I still have some doubts. If you follow this process, you will not have any doubt. Your learning will be 100% if you follow this. Okay, so this is our expectation from you, that we want you to take maximum benefit of the Master My Life entire ecosystem. Coach study guide, LMS, buddy coaching, YML, CMC, right? So all these things, right? A director training on a weekly basis, 1 hour is available to you to address any of your queries. And this 1 hour you can utilize for a group learning, peer-to-peer learning. You can share experiences with each other, right? So the peer-to-peer learning is one of the most effective learning methods, right? So you take this benefit. Only 8 hours per week is what we are asking you. Once you do this and once you follow this particular discipline for the 6 months duration, barring some exceptions, right? Because even if you miss some session, the ecosystem is such that it is designed for busy professionals. We fully understand that every time on every Saturday, it may not be possible. It may not be possible for you to do buddy coaching every week. It may not be possible for you to attend all the Sunday voluntary extra sessions. It may not be possible to read the coach study guide each week before the session. We understand that. But this is our recommendation, right? If we do it, it will be great. If you don't do it, then you have to basically find a way. Okay, if I'm not in a position to do this way, is there another way? And that also you can discuss with our director training. Okay, I'm finding this difficult. What is the most effective way? With their experience, they will guide you in that as well. Once you do this investment of 8 hours per week time, right? Now, what is your coach journey? I am giving you 100% clarity. So the first pedestal of your coach journey is coach training, which is in Master My Life case, it is coach education. You complete this coach education of 175 hours by investing 8 hours per week. I'm becoming very specific, right? Because I want to set expectation upfront. During the coach education, you develop your coach competencies and you start the coach business also. So that I will explain you at the end of the session. During this coach training, what is the special support available to you? Apart from the synchronous learning on Saturdays, we are also helping you in the Sunday asynchronous learning. Additional learning support is provided to you. Buddy coaching support is provided to you. Buddy coaching session, one session evaluation support is provided to you. A training director is going to provide you feed forward on your own coaching call recording. So this is the additional support we provide in level 1. Step 1. Step 2 of your coaching journey is you completing your mentor coaching and the coaching practice. If you are applying for ACC, then it is 100 hours practice. If you are applying for the PCC credential, it is 500 hours of coaching practice, right? So we help you in completing those 100 or 500 hours of coaching. Help, right? Who is responsible, right? So it is not that the MML is going to spoon feed you, right? All the facilities are available. Every facility has an in charge. A experienced coach is already guiding you, but it is you who have to utilize these particular facilities. So I'm again setting the expectations upfront, right? So a support will be again free of cost, right? We are not going to charge you any recurring fee for all this support. All I am talking about is a free support, right? And you will complete your individual mentor coaching sessions. Why? Because the 8 hours of group mentor coaching is already covered into your 175 hours education. So out of your 25 sessions, what you are going to complete, 8 hours of mentor coaching, group mentor coaching is already covered. Now the balance is 3 hours. That 3 hours you complete after your coaching education. Once you complete this particular 172 hours of education, last 3 hours after you completing 172 hours are these 3 hours of individual mentor coaching, your one-to-one discussion with the mentor coach. And then you attend 6 master classes: emotional intelligence, NLP, positive psychology, spiritual intelligence, neuroscience, and group coaching. So this is your level 2. What is the support MML is providing you? Our mentor coaching is having a very comprehensive plan. Our mentor coaching program itself is a great support, because we are going to cover all the critical aspects of the coaching practice during our mentor coaching. We will provide you additional 6 masterclass certifications, which will enhance your coach toolkit. And you will be part of You, Me, and Life Coaching Mastery Consortium, which will help you in coaching practice, networking, as well as you preparing your not only preparation for the credential, but also preparation for your coaching business and the personal branding. So this is the MML support in your coach journey level 2, pedestal 2. The topmost level of your coach journey is your ICF credential and successful coaching practice. So there is a CK test, which we will guide you, online CK test, coach knowledge assessment by ICF. You have to apply to ICF online for the credential. So we will help you in that entire process. And of course, along with the application, you have to submit the coaching log. All the formats will be provided to you. Guidance will be provided to you. Don't worry. So if you are applying for ACC level, 100 hours of coaching logs. If you are applying for the PCC level, 500 hours of coaching log, right? What support we are providing you? The greatest support we are providing you is YML CMC. In YML CMC, you will be guided in the CK test, how to apply, everything, coaching log, everything, right? Plus YML coaching LLP, right, will provide few of you opportunities on a revenue sharing for the paid coaching assignments from the corporates, and also from the, say, business coaching, executive coaching, as well as relationship coaching, because these are the 3 wings of the YML coaching LLP. And you will utilize the coaching kit of EI, NLP, positive psychology, spiritual intelligence, group coaching, neuroscience for your profitable coaching business practice. So these are the 3 levels of your coach journey, and the MML support available on each stage of your journey.